Okay, dear students, today we will be discussing the problem given in our textbook. And the first number question is, a die is thrown once. Determine the probability of getting an even number, or number greater or equal than 3, and or number lesser or equal than 4. That is, x is lesser or equal than 4. It is x is greater or equal than 3. Now the solution for this question, dear students. Since there are 6 faces of a die, therefore the sample space is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and number of sample space equal to 6, and total number of favorable cases, favorable favorable cases, that means even number in dice, even number in die, that is that E is the set E equal to 2, 4 and 6, and it will be number of E equal to 3. Therefore the probability of an even number equal m over n, uh, or we have symbolized here number of E over number of S. If we have taken this relation, we can apply this. That's why 3 by 6. This is equal to 1 by 2. This is very simple question that we have studied in junior classes also. And the next B number question, or number greater or equal than 3. So probability of getting the number x which is greater or equal than 3, I have done this directly. That how many numbers are greater or equal than 3? 3, 4, 5, 6, 4 numbers, and total are 6, that is 2 over 3. And now for C number, dear students, probability of x lesser or equal than 4. 4, 3, 2, 1, it is also 4 over 6, that is 2 over 3. Other language you can manage yourself. Now the solution for this question, dear students. A bag contains 9 red, 7 white and 4 black balls. Yeah. A ball is drawn at random. What is the probability of drawing a red ball, or a white ball, and not a red ball? I think you are familiar with this problem. Total number of balls. First of all, we have to find that 9 plus 7 plus 4 equal 20. It is supposed by n. Symbol we can suppose in our one practice. And total number of red balls. Total number of red balls. It is supposed by m. How many red balls are here? 9. Yes. And the probability of drawing a red ball equal m over n, 9 over 20, or any language you can use. This is of A, and now this is A. Now for B, a red ball or a white ball. or red ball. How many red ball? Or red ball or a white ball. So in case of or we have to add or red ball or a white ball. 9 plus 7 is 16, and probability of getting red or a white ball, that is 7 plus 9 is 16 and total is 20 equal 4 by 5. This is very simple problem. And the C number, dear students, not a red ball except then red, 7 white plus 4 black, 11. Then probability of not red balls are bar gardiye मैले, that is how many are 11 by 20. This is the shortcut way that we have done this problem. Number 3, dear students, a card is drawn from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards. What is the probability that it is a spade? Spade कति हुन्छ नि तपाईलाई थाहा छ. Probability of finding spade equal 13 वटा हुन्छ नि स्पेडहरु हैन, चिडी, क्लब चिडी स्पेड हुकुम, 13 by 52 first part. And second part, or read 8 or read 9 or read 10. For this question, there are 2 read of 8, 9 and 10 each. दुईटा रातो हुन्छ, 8 को पनि 9 को पनि र 10 को पनि. So number of favorable cases, m equal 2 plus 2 plus 2 equal to 6. 6 वटा भयो नि त. And now total number of possible cases, it is denoted by n, that is 52. Now probability of getting or read 8 or read 9 or a read 10 equal m over n equal that 6 over 52 equal 3 over 26. And now C number question. C number question, dear students, a king or a diamond? A king or a diamond? Probability of getting shortcut way a king or a diamond equal king, diamond को पनि king पनि हुन्छ, that is dependent case हैन यो. That means intersection पनि पाउँछौं हामीले, त्यही भएर a king or a diamond हुन्छ. Probability of finding king plus probability of finding diamond minus probability of finding k intersection diamond. यस्तो तरिकाबाट नि we can solve this question. King कतिवटा हुन्छ? Probability 4 by 52. Diamond कतिवटा हुन्छ? 13 by 52 minus king वाला diamond कतिवटा हुन्छ? 1 by 52. By simplification we can find 13 plus 4 17 minus 1 16 by 52, that is 4 by 13. Or directly you can find a king or diamond is in 16 number, and you can do this problem. That can be done. Now the next D number question, dear students, a black or an S. Next part ma जाऊं, a black or an S. अब यसलाई यो भन्दा फरक ढङ्गले गरौँ टोटल नम्बर अफ तपाईहरु पहिला टोटल नम्बर अफ फेभरेबल केसेसमा जानुहोस् ब्ल्याक कति हुन्छन् 26 एस कति हुन्छन् 4 ब्ल्याक एस कति हुन्छन् 2 भनेपछि तपाईको 28 भयो so the probability of getting a black or an S or an S janos number of favorable cases that is supposed by m over n 28 over total number of cases त हामीले सबै ठाउँमा 52 नै छ that's why it is 7 over 13 answer. So in this way we can solve this question number 3. Now question number 4 dear students. The number of students participating in different extracurricular activities on the occasion of college day is listed below. Participate नहुने 18 जना एउटा गेममा पार्टिसिपेट हुने 30 र दुईटा गेममा पार्टिसिपेट 12 the total कति 60 students मा total 60 student मा yes total 60 find the probability that a student selected at random participant one activity probability of the student in one activity यो one activity भनेको one activity मा participant हुने number 30 in this is shortcut way है मैले just hints का कुरा गरिरहेको छु that is 1/2 and second one is at least one activities at least one भनेपछि 2 पनि हुन सक्यो यो दुईटै इन्क्लुड भयो probability of 8 least 1 is that is favorable case is 13 plus 12 and total case is 60 that is 42 by 60 equal 7 over 10 this question can be done by this way खोजेको त्यही मात्र हो now the solution for this question dear students in a computer course the probability that a student will get grade A is this the probability that he will get grade B is this what is the probability that the student will get grade A or grade B yes here probability of getting A grade that is 0.57 probability of getting B grade that is 0.34 and case first is what is the probability that the student get A or B probability of getting A or B grade is probability of A plus probability of B they are mutually exclusive that's why 0.57 plus 0.34 equal 0.91 and the second one if there are only 3 grades A, B, C what is the probability that the student get grade C it means probability of A obtaining A grade, probability of obtaining B grades plus probability of obtaining C grade that will be the total probability will be 1. The sum of P and BB from first case that 0.91 plus probability of obtaining C grade equal 1. Therefore probability of getting C grade is 0.09 1 minus 0.91 which is the required answer of this. Now the solution of this question dear students 5b the probability that a price of commodity is increasing this decreasing this remains constant is what it is BIMP question. The solution dear students here probability of increasing I have supposed is 0.62 and probability of decreasing is 0.18. Yeah. And what is the probability of remains constant? What? We know the meaning of remains constant is probability of getting neither I nor D increase हुन नि पाएन decrease हुन पनि पाएन. That is, dear students, probability of IC intersection, probability of DC and DC, that is probability of I union D complement equal 1 minus probability of I union D. So 1 minus probability of I plus probability of D equal 1 minus probability of I is 0.62 plus this is 0.18, 1 minus 0.8 equal to 0.2. Neither I nor D is 0.2. Now the solution for this question. Before the solution, let me read out the question. From 20 tickets marked from 1 to 20, one is drawn at random. Find the probability that I number is a multiple of 4 and 5, is a multiple of 4 or 5. Here n equal 20. Yeah, n is total number. And multiple of 4, 8, 12, 16 and 20. Multiple of 5 are 5, 10, 15 and 20. And first case, I case, multiple of 4 and 5. In this case, a number of favorable cases. If we suppose m equal to 4 र 5 को multiple भन्दा 20 मात्रै भयो, that is 1. So probability of getting multiple of 4 and multiple of 5 equal m over n equal 1 by 20. And second case, multiple of 4 or multiple of 5 equal probability of multiple of 4 plus probability of multiple 5 minus probability of multiple 4 and 5. So this is 5 by 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 4 by 20 minus intersection is 1 by 20 equal to 8 by 20 equal to 2 by 5. This is the case of this. Now moving to the next question. It is another BIMP question. Solution. Find the probability that there will be 5 Sundays in the month of June. Solution. Here June, the month of June consists of 30 days. English month, the days are fixed here. So 30 equal 4 times 7 plus 2 days. 4 weeks and 2 days more. And the remaining 2 days have the following combination. It can be, that may be Sunday, Monday, that can be Sunday and Monday, or Monday and Tuesday, or Tuesday and Wednesday, Wednesday and Thursday, and Thursday and Friday, and Friday and Saturday, again Saturday and Sunday. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 possible combinations. Yeah, so out of 7 combination, 2 combination contain Sunday. Here also Sunday and here also Sunday. Thus, making 5 days Sundays, 5 days Sundays, n equal total number of possible cases equals 7, and m equal number of favorable cases equal to, in 2 combination we obtain. Therefore, probability of obtaining 5 Sundays equal, that is probability of getting 5 Sundays equal m over n equal 2 over 7. It's a very good question. Then you have to try, this is for you extra, same in July, means 5 Sundays in July. Let's try what is the probability of getting 5 Sundays in July month. This is for your practice. Now moving to next part, dear students, it is also very important question solution. Before the solution, let's read out the question. If probability of obtaining A 0.4, probability of obtaining B 0.35, and probability of A union B equal to 0.55, find the probability A and B, A intersection B. Are the events A and B are independent? We have to show whether they are independent or not. This is also very good question. Here, probability of A equal 0.4, probability of B equal 0.35, and probability of A union B equal 0.55, and probability of A intersection B equal what? We know probability of A union B equal probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. This is 0.55 equal 0.4 plus 0.35 minus probability of A intersection B. Or shifting this to right and this to left, we will obtain PA intersection B equal, the sum of this is 0.75 minus 0.55 equal to 0.2. Now very important part, events A and B be independent if we obtain probability of A intersection B equal probability A times probability B. यो condition satisfied भयो भने मात्रै तिनीहरू independent छन् भन्न सक्छौं. So let's check. We obtain probability of A intersection B equal 0.2. This is guessed first from here. And again, probability of A times probability of B equal 0.4 times 0.35 equal 0.14. Therefore, this is second case. Probability A intersection B does not equal probability of A times probability of B. So, A and B, events A and B are not independent. It is very good question. Okay, now the 7B number question, dear students. We have given A and B are two independent events. PA is 2 by 3, PB is 3 by 5, P union B and PA union B complement. Here, probability of obtaining A is 2 by 3, probability of getting B equal 3 by 5, and A and B are independent events. So the case is, we know that probability of A intersection B equal probability of A times probability of B equal 2 by 3 times 3 by 5 equal 2 over 5. Again, probability of A union B equal probability of A, probability of B minus probability of A intersection B, which is 2 by 3 plus 3 by 5 minus 2 by 5. By solving, we will get 13 by 15, and probability of A union B complement equal 1 minus probability of A union B equal 1 minus 13 by 15 equal 2 by 15. Answer. It is not very tough question, but you have to remember this condition. Now we are in 8 number question. The 8 number question is like this. A bag contains 5 white, 3 black balls. Another bag contains 4 white, 6 black balls. One ball is drawn from each bag. Find the probability that both are white balls, both are black balls, and one white and another black. So, dear students, bag first. Bag first. How many white balls? 5 white balls plus 3 black balls equal 8 balls. Yeah. Then bag 2. I have done in short way. 4 white balls plus 6 black balls equal 10 balls. Now we have to find the probability of both were white balls. In first bag also white balls and second bag also white balls. So these are independent one. So probability of getting white 1, white 2 equal probability of white 1 times we know we have probability of white 2, because in first ball also we obtain white, and second obtaining the white balls in first and obtaining the white balls in second, they are independent, not effect. That's why what is the probability of the white balls in first? From this we can find that is 5 by 8. And what is the probability of getting white balls in second? That is 4 by 10. 4 to the equal 1 by 4. And second one is both are black. Similarly, probability of getting black 1, black 2, first bag and second bag. Probability of B1 times probability of B2 is they are independent one. B1 is what? 3 by 8, and B2 is what? 6 by 10. 2, 5. Sorry, 3 2 3s are 2 5s are equal 3 3s are 9, 8 5s are 40. And the next third case, dear students, this is first case, one white and another black. One white, but in which bag we don't know. One white, black. There are two possible cases of this one white and one black. Probability of getting one white and another black is, there are two possible cases. Probability of in first B1, second W2, or that is also case, that case will satisfied, or probability of first W1 and second black 2. Remember, one white and another black, two possible case हुन्छ. पहिलोमा ब्ल्याक आउँदा दोस्रोमा व्हाइट आएको केस पनि भयो, पहिलोमा व्हाइट र दोस्रोमा ब्ल्याक आएको केस पनि भयो. मैले B1 W2 बनाए. यो इन्डिपेन्डेन्ट भएको हुनाले प्रोडक्ट हुन्छ, हामी यही थाहा पाइसक्यौं. अब यो प्रोबेबिलिटी अफ B1 into probability of W2 plus probability of W1 times probability of B2. Then here equal, dear students, B1 भनेको 3 by 8 हुन्छ times W2 भनेको चाहिँ फेरि 4 by 10 हुन्छ plus 5 by 8 times 6 by 10 हुन्छ. यो सिम्प्लिफाई गर्दा हामीले 21 by 40 पाउँछौं. It is third case is important case, will be given in many places or questions. Now moving to next question, dear students. Solution. Before starting the solution, let me highlight the question. Two coins are tossed simultaneously. Find the sample space. No doubt we can find. Find the probability of getting both are black and at least one head.
Sir, coin में black बनल.
Oh, I think this is both are. Okay, let read the question. Okay.
Both are tail होला sir अथवा head होला.
Yes. Okay, Papa.
Both heads.
के छ बाबु?
Both head.
Maybe while typing that may be error.
Both head हो sir.
Yes, yes. Okay, dear. Yes, thank you. Your typing error हो मेरो. Okay, thank you. Now, what is the sample space? First of all, Here we have given 2 coins and the sample space yes equal तिमी थाहा पाउँछौ st st hh st th tt hh st th and tt. This is the sample space. Number of sample equal to 4 and probability of getting head equal number of hh over number of s यो 1/4 भइहाल्यो and probability of 8 least one head this कम्तीमा एउटा हेड भने तीनटा आइटमहरु छ that is 3/4. A simple question, so we can do this directly, no doubt we have. Now the solution for this question. Before the solution, let me highlight the question. 2 dice are rolled once. What is the probability of getting a total of 8 or total of 9 or 6? For this, 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6. This can be done in rough 1 1 1 2 1 6 and here will be 6 6. Then dear students, we have to find a total of 8. Total of 8 हुनको लागि 6 2 5 3. First case is a total of 8. 8 total हुने चाहिँ that is probability of a total of 8. कुन हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि हाम्रो total 8 हुने चाहिँ 6 2 हुन्छ. म यहाँ हाइलाइट गरिदिन्छु. 6 2 हुन्छ, 5 3 हुन्छ, 4 4 हुन्छ, 3 5 हुन्छ and 2 6 हुन्छ. 3 4 5, yes, 5 simples. So that is favorable case is 5, total number case is 36. You find out गर्न सकिहाल्छौ तिमीले. A total of 9 or 6. 9 or 6 भनेको त that is mutually accepted. 6 total हुँदा 9 total हुने त एउटै हुँदैन. So probability of getting a total of 9 or 6, that is probability of getting some 9 plus probability of getting some 6, you can add, हैन. 4/36 plus 5/36 equal 9/36 equal to 1/4. यो 4/36 9 सम हुने त तिमीलाई थाहा छँदैछ होला. 9 6 र 3 हुन्छ, 5 र 4 हुन्छ, 4 र 5 हुन्छ, 3 6 3 6 हुन्छ, 6 3 हुन्छ, 4 5 हुन्छ, 5 4 हुन्छ. यो चारवटा हुन्छ. 6 सम हुने चाहिँ तिम्रो 6 सम हुने 5 र 1 हुन्छ. 5 1 1 5 4 2 2 4 and 3 3 1 2 3 4 5 वटा स्याम्पल हुन्छ यसबाट. That's why this is the required probability. Now we are in very good question, dear students. The chance that A can solve the problem. यो important question हो. धेरै जसो एक्जाममा आउँछ और कन्सेप्चुअल पनि छ, तिम्रो इन्ट्रान्सहरुमा पनि आउन सक्छ. The chance that A can solve the problem is 3/5 and the chance that B can solve the same problem is 2/3. Find the probability that the problem is solved by A and B. Focus here. The problem is solved here and none of them can solve the problem. यो एकदम important question छ dear students. I will solve this systematically. The chance that A can solve, that is probability of A equal 3/5. The chance that B can solve, that is probability of B equal 2/3. 3/5 and 2/3. Now first case is The problem is solved by A and B. Probability that the problem is solved by A and B. You know A and B. दुईटैले सल्भ गर्नु पर्यो. That is probability of A intersection B equal probability of A times probability of B independent भयो 3/5 times 2/3 equal 2/5. दुईटैले सल्भ गर्ने probability यो भयो. Now move to the second part, dear students. The problem is solved. The problem is solved. यो problem is solved भनेको कस्तो अवस्थामा हुन्छ भन्दा either A or B or both. एउटा A ले सल्भ गरिने प्रब्लम सल्भ हो, B ले मात्रै सल्भ गरिने भयो, दुईटैले सल्भ गरिने सल्भ भयो. So this is the case of A union B. So probability of A union B equal probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. That is 3/5 plus 2/3 minus 2/5. From here I have taken the value. While solving we will get 13/15. The second part is that now third case, none of them can solve the problem. None of them can solve the problem. It means one minus P A union B equal 1 minus 13/15 equal 2/15. This is the solution for this question. Okay, dear students, let's move to the next question, 9B. A problem in statistics is given to the 3 students. This is also BIMP question. Whose chance of solving it are 1/3, 1/4 and 1/5 respectively. Find the probability that the problem is solved. It is the condition that repeated. And the problem is solved by only one of them. This is very knowledgeable question. So dear students, I will solve it systematically. The chance that A can solve, probability of A equal 1/3, probability of B equal 1/4, probability of C equal 1/5. First given like that. And case first, dear students, the problem is solved. The problem is solved. As I mentioned you earlier, this is case of union. The problem A ले solve गरेन solve भयो, B ले solve गरेन solve भयो, C ले गरेन भयो, A र B ले गरेन भयो, B र C ले गरेन भयो, A र C ले गरेन भयो, ABC तीनटैले गरिनु भयो. That's why this is the case of union. Probability of A or B or C equal probability of A plus probability of B plus probability of C minus probability of A intersection B minus probability of B intersection C minus probability of A intersection C plus probability of A intersection B intersection C. यसलाई calculation गरौँ, we will obtain, you can put the value from here, you will get 3/5 answer. And it can be solved by another process also, students. Or same problem हो, के पनि गर्न सकिन्छ, means probability that problem is solved or getting the problem is solved. यो problem solve हुने probability कसरी पनि निकाल्न सकिन्छ भन्दा 1 minus problem not solved by A times problem not solved by B times problem not solved by C and 1 minus this product. A ले नसक्ने, B ले नसक्ने र C ले नसक्ने तीनटा केस लाई फेरि त्यसको कम्प्लिमेन्ट जस्तो 1 बाट सबट्र्याक्ट गरेर प्रब्लम सल्भ हुने केस पनि निकाल्न सक्छौं. 1 minus A कम्प्लिमेन्ट भनेको 2/3 हुन्छ, एज 1/3, 1 minus 1/3 हुन्छ. B भनेको 3/4 हुन्छ र C भनेको 4/5 हुन्छ. यो कट गरौँ, यो कट गरौँ. 1 minus 2/5 भनेको 3/5 हुन्छ. यो क्वेशन प्रब्लम इज सल्भ भन्ने क्वेशन चाहिँ हामी यसरी दुई तरिकाले गर्न सक्छौं. Now the next part of this problem भनेको the problem is solved by only one of them. The problem is solved by only one of them. I will drop this and I will solve here. Okay, the problem is solved by only one of them. अब यो सेकेन्ड पार्ट इम्पोर्टेन्ट छ डियर स्टुडेन्ट्स. एउटाले मात्रै solved by only one of them, solved by only one of them. ती मध्येको एउटाले मात्रै सल्भ गर्ने प्रोबेबिलिटी कति होला? That's probability of solved by only one of them. यो केस चाहिँ के हुन्छ भन्दा स्टुडेन्ट्स इक्वल प्रोबेबिलिटी अफ A ले सल्भ गर्ने, B ले सल्भ नगर्ने र C ले सल्भ नगरे पनि सल्भ भयो. अथवा or that's why प्लस A ले सल्भ गरेन, B ले सल्भ गर्यो र C ले सल्भ नगरेको अवस्था पनि हुन्छ. प्लस अथवा or probability of A complement probability of B complement into probability of C. Solve by only one of them. यसले गरेको भए पनि भयो or यो भयो कन्डिसन भए पनि भयो, यो कन्डिसन, यो तीनटै कन्डिसन भनेको नै हाम्रो के हो? solve by only one of them. र तिमी अब यसलाई 1/3 times complement B 3/4 times 4/5 गर्छौ प्लस यो केसमा जाँदा तिमी 2/3 times 1/4 times 1/4 or 4/5 plus 2/3 times 3/4 times 1/5. By solving we will get 13/30 answer. यो केस एउटाले सल्भ गर्यो दुईटाले गरेन, और B ले गर्यो दुईटाले गरेन, और C ले गर्यो दुईटाले गरेन भन्ने यी तीनटै केसको सम भनेकै solve by only one of them हो. In this way we can solve this question. Now moving to next question, dear students. Question number 10 solution. A class consists of 60 boys, 40 girls. If two students are chosen at random, what is the probability that both are boys, both are girls, and one boy and one girl? Very good question. This is okay. Now here total number of students in the class. Total number of students in the class is 60 plus 40 equal 100. 60 plus 40, that is, and two students can be chosen from 100. In that time we have discussed combination C 102 पनि लेख्छौं or 100 C2 पनि लेख्छौं है 100 C2 वाइज हामी कम्बिनेसन को कुरा गर्दै छौं यसलाई हामी कसरी लेख्छौं त भन्दा 100 factorial over 100 minus 2 factorial times 2 factorial बनाउँछौं 100 factorial भनेको 100 minus 99 minus 98 factorial पनि हो 100 मा 2 subtract 98 factorial times 2 factorial भनेको 2 times 1 हो यो र यो कट हुन्छ यो 2 ले यसलाई 50 times कट गर्छ 99 times 50 is 4950 हुन्छ 100 जनाबाट 2 जना बच्चाहरु छान्ने चान्स यति तरिकाले छान्न सकिन्छ अब तपाई नेक्स्ट मा जानुस् फर्स्ट केस मा जानुस् फर्स्ट केस both are boys both are boys both are boys both are boys अब दुईटै बाबुहरु पढ्ने उ भनेको मिनिङ्स it means two boys can be chosen फेरि two boys can be chosen in from कतिवटा बोयजहरु छ हाम्रो 60 from 60 boys in C62 वाइज फेरि 100 जनाबाट 2 जना स्टुडेन्ट लिने फेरि दुईटै बोयज पढ्ने भनेको 60 जना बोयजबाट दुईटै बोयज लिने चान्सेस हो therefore the total number of favorable cases भनेको चाहिँ कति छ C62 equal 60 factorial you can use calculator 60 minus 2 factorial times 2 factorials यसमा अर्डर हुँदैन छान्नेमा त्यसकारण हाम्रो कम्बिनेसन आएको हो यसको क्याल्कुलेसन गर्दा will be getting 1770 क्याल्कुलेटर बाट डाइरेक्ट you can get this therefore हाम्रो required probability that probability of getting boys हैन this is our required probability and your required probability equal C62 favorable case C102 possible case 1770 by 4950 equal I have calculated this 59 over 165 This is the case of both boys. I have done in details. तिमीले यो total number of boys निकाल्यो. This is in our language, this is n. In our language, this is m, and required probability m by n. This is the first case. Now similarly you can find sorry, both are girls. Both are girls we can find, dear students. Both are girls. Let me rub some part. Both are girls. Both are girls. I think you find the way of finding both are girls also here. Yes, now both are girls. I will do that in short way. Yeah, both are girls is required probability of second number is both are girls. See how many girls? 42 over C 102 equal, I have calculated this, 26 over 165. And now for third case, dear students, third case, one boy and one girl, that is the required probabilities. अब तपाईहरुले बुझ्नु पर्यो. One boy कति जना boyबाट C61 times एउटा girls कति जनाबाट 40 जनाबाट C41 टोटलमा कति जना चुज गरे C102 selection गरे. In this calculation you will get 16 by 33 answer. Put the value and simplify this, we will get this much solution. So in this way, using combination, that is the selection without order, we can use this in probability as well.
So,
Yes. Next question is solution. Before the solution, that contains 8 white balls and 4 red balls. 2 balls are drawn from a bag at random. Find the probability one of each color. Both are the same color. One of each color. And both are the same color. I will solve this in short way because previous questions I have solved in a long way. Total number of balls 8 white plus 4 red equal 12 balls. And the first I number case one of each color. One of each color भनेको के हो भन्दा एउटा सेतोबाट र एउटा रातोबाट सिलेक्सन गर्ने. So the required probability के हुन्छ भन्दा required probability is 8 वडाबाट 8C1 times red को पनि 4C1 and 12C1. यसको मिनिङ हो एउटा रेड 1 इज कलर, एउटा व्हाइट आउनु पर्यो, एउटा रेड आउनु पर्यो, दुईटा सरी 2 सेलेक्सन दुईटा गर्नु पर्यो. तपाई यसलाई गर्नुहोस् 8C1 times 4C1 by 12C2. I think you obtain the answer 16 by 33. एउटा and दुईटा. And the second case, both are same color. Yeah, both are same color. Same color भनेको के हो? यसका दुईटा अप्सन 2W or 2R, यसको दुईटा सिलेक्सन दुई तरिकाको भयो हेर्नुस् है। or भनेपछि जोड्नु पर्यो 8C2 plus 4C2, that is the favorable case। फेरि बुझ्नुहोस्, both are same color, दुईटा छानेको छ बल, कि दुईटै व्हाइट आउनु पर्यो और कुन कि दुईटै रेड आउनु पर्यो, और भन्ने ती प्लस भयो, दुईटै व्हाइट आउने प्रोबेबिलिटी 8C2 एन्ड दुईटै रेड आउने 4C2। दिस इज द फेभरेबल केसेस। यो भनेको तपाईको 8C2 भनेको चाहिँ तपाई 28 हुन्छ, 4C2 भनेको 6 हुन्छ, यो 34 हुन्छ। एन्ड द रिक्वायर्ड प्रोबेबिलिटी कति हुन्छ भन्दा 34 बाइ टोटल भनेको 12C2 नै हो। 12C2 भनेको 34 बाइ 66 हुन सक्छ, यो 17 बाइ 33 हुन सक्छ। तपाई याद गर्नुहोस्, बोथ आर सेम कलर भन्ने बित्तिकै यो दुईटा अप्सन आयो, यसको नि सिलेक्सन यसको पनि सिलेक्सन को सम टोटल फेभरेबल केसेस 12C2 12 बाट दुईटा छानेको, यो कुरा आई थिंक यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस। Now moving to the same question repeated. Now C number, dear students, the solution. Before the solution, let me highlight the question. यसमा पनि तपाईको के छ, 6 व्हाइट बल्सहरु छ, 8 ब्लू बल्सहरु छ, randomly select गरेको छ, both are white निकाल्नु छ, one white and other is blue निकाल्नु छ। अब यसको नि हिन्ट्स मा जान्छु म। 6 white plus 8 blue equal 14 balls. So both white को probability, that is white 6 वटा बाट C2 दुईटा छान्नुहोस्, 14 वटा बाट पनि दुईटा छान्नुहोस्, तपाईको आन्सर आउँछ है। यसमा तपाईलाई डाउट छैन। फर्स्ट पार्ट एन्ड सेकेन्ड पार्ट मा जाउँ हामी। one white and the other is blue है। one white and the other is blue भनेको one white required probability। अब यसलाई नि सर्ट मै गए मैले डिटेल्स भन्दा। अब तपाईले एउटा व्हाइट निकाल्नुहुन्छ, one white निकाल्नुहुन्छ, that is 6C1 was, and the another के blue निकाल्नुहुन्छ 8C1 was and 40C2 was निकाल्नुहुन्छ तपाई। यो चाहिँ तपाईको 41/91 क्याल्कुलेसन आउँछ। अब यसमा चाहिँ तपाईको अर्को कन्डिसनल हामी 9-10 मा गरेको और कन्डिसनल प्रोबेबिलिटी पनि लगाउन सकिन्छ यो क्वेशनलाई। दैट इज P11 B2 और प्लस P B122 यस्तो सेन्समा हामी जान सक्छौं। एउटा आयो, अर्को पहिला व्हाइट आको ब्ल्याक टी डायग्राममा पनि तपाईले गर्नुहुन्थ्यो नि। एउटा व्हाइट आइसकेको ठाउँमा ब्लू आउनु पर्यो और ब्लू आको ठाउँमा व्हाइट आउनु पर्यो, यस्तो डिफरेन्ट one white other blue। यो कन्डिसनमा जानुहोस् अनि यिनीहरुको प्रोबेबिलिटीहरु प्रोडक्ट गर्नुहोस् अनि you will get the option 48/91 answer। Any one method you can apply। Now 10D number question, dear students, it is very interesting question। Let me read out the question। A bag contains 4 white, 5 red and 6 black balls. 2 balls are drawn at random. What is the probability that both are the same color? Only 2 balls are drawn, हैन? One is white and both are of different colors। यस्तो खालको प्रोबेबिलिटी हामीले निकाल्नु छ। अब तपाईलाई म डाइरेक्ट सोलुसन तिर जान्छु इन सर्ट वे। 4 वटा white plus 5 वटा red plus 6 वटा black balls. Total balls are 15 balls. No doubt everybody can find this. हैन यो 15 हो. First part is that. अब फर्स्ट केसको रिक्वायर्ड प्रोबेबिलिटी के हुन्छ? Required probability both are of the same color. Both are of the same color भनेको तपाईको के हुन्छ भन्दा यो भन्दा पहिला बुझ्नु पर्ने कुरा both are the 2 white from 4 white पनि चुज गरेको हुन सक्छ. 2R from 5R पनि सिलेक्सन हुन सक्छ. or हुन्छ नि 2 black from 6 black हुन सक्छ. यो or अप्सन हो. यो तीनटा केस or मा हुने हुनाले हामी रिक्वायर्ड प्रोबेबिलिटी के गर्छौं C42 प्लस गर्छौं. किन भन्दा यो अप्सन पनि हुन सक्छ बोथ अफ द सेम कलर. और सेकेन्ड मा के हुन सक्छ C52. मैले कहिले C अगाडि कहिले पछाडी लेखेछु त्यसको मिनिङमा डिफरेन्ट हुन्छ है. प्लस C62 होल ओभर 15C2. यो मिनिङ र यो लेखेको प्याटर्न चाहिँ एउटै हो. मिनिङ एउटा दिन्छ. 15C2 लेख्न सकिन्छ. C ब्राकेट 15 राख्न सकिन्छ. 15 वटाबाट दुईटा छाने हो तर त्यो के पनि हुन सक्छ दुईटै सेम व्हाइट हुन सक्छ और रेड हुन सक्छ और that the what's the next black हुन सक्छ. यो तीनटा अप्सनलाई एड गरेर 15 बाट C2 छान्यो. तपाई यसको आन्सर क्याल्कुलेसन बाट निकाल्नुहुन्छ 31 / 105. I have done this by calculation. अब सेकेन्ड पार्ट मा जाउँ. 1 is white. This is also very important question my dear students. 1 is white. एउटा white भनेको अप्सन के हुन सक्छ? अब तपाईको यसको रिक्वायर्ड प्रोबेबिलिटी मा जानु भन्दा पहिला सिलेक्सन यसको कसको हुन्छ त नि भन्दा 1 white from 4 white हो and 1 R from 5R पनि हुन सक्छ or 1 white from 4 white and 1 black from 6 black हुन सक्छ. यसको अप्सन दुईटा हुन्छ हेर्नुस् है. एउटा सेतो त पर्नै पर्यो 1 white भनेछ नि त. दुईटा चुज गर्न पाइन. एउटा सेतो चुज गर्नुभयो 4 वटा सेतोबाट. अब तपाई एउटा अप्सन छ त्यो चाहिँ रेड चुज गर्न पनि सक्नुभयो. एउटा अप्सनले एउटा कम्प्लिट गर्छ. यो पनि हुन सक्छ कि एउटा व्हाइट 4 वटा व्हाइटबाट छान्यो भने नेक्स्ट चाहिँ ब्ल्याक छानेर 6 वटाबाट छानेको हुन्छ. दैट्स व्हाई रिक्वायर्ड प्रोबेबिलिटी डियर स्टुडेन्ट्स C41 times C51 यो एन्ड हो नि दुईटा केस त प्लस C41 times C61 बुझ्नुहुन्छ. यो कन्डिसन डिवाइड बाइ C15 and you can find 44 by 105 by the calculation. These are two cases. Now we have third case dear students, that is both are different colors. तपाई गेस गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ डिफरेन्ट कलर हुने प्रोबेबिलिटी के होला भन्ने. Let me rub first part. It is also very important question dear students. डिफरेन्ट कलर हुने प्रोबेबिलिटी कस्तो होला भन्ने अब म डाइरेक्ट लेख्दिन्छु. तपाईहरुलाई यो दुईटा चाहिँ मैले क्लियरली बताइसके. आई होप यु अन्डरस्ट्यान्ड दैट पार्ट अल्सो हैन. अब तपाईको थर्ड केसमा जाउँ. व्हाट इज द थर्ड केस? या थर्ड केस इज बोथ आर डिफरेन्ट कलर. दुईटै डिफरेन्ट कलर को छ भने ल मैले रिक्वायर्ड प्रोबेबिलिटी डाइरेक्ट लेख्ने. के हुन्छ सिलेक्सन 4C1 times 5C1. अब मैले अर्को प्याटर्नमा लेखेँ है, व्हाइट र रेडबाट सिलेक्सन हुन सक्छ, और 5 वटाबाट एउटा रेड, 6 वटाबाट एउटा ब्ल्याक, और सरी प्लस तेस्रो अप्सन के हुन्छ 6C1 times 4C1. यो तीनटा अप्सनहरु हुन सक्छ. Am I right? There are 3 options and whole over 15C2, and by the calculation you will get 74 by 105. In this way we can complete this problem as well. एउटा different color. Now we have to discuss about question number 10A. These questions I have already made the solution, and I will make you clear. First of all, let me highlight the question. Suppose 3 persons are selected at random from a group of 7 men and 6 women. What is the probability that 2 men and 1 woman are selected? It's a very simple question, as we discussed earlier. 7 men and 6 women are there. Total 13 people are there. Probability of getting 2 men and 1 woman is 7C2 times 6C1 by 13C3. That is the probability. I hope it is not very difficult question. You will get directly the answer by this way. Now 10F number question, dear students. 4 cards are drawn from random of 52 cards. What is the probability of all 4 are spade? So total spade are 13, selection 4 cards, total cards 52. So the required probability is 13C2 C4. Out of 13 spade 4 are selected, out of 52 cards 4 are selected, then this is the required probability. I hope you get it. Now question number 11. This is very good question, dear students. We have given probability of event 1 is 0.4, probability of event 2 0.36, probability of their union is 0.5. Find the conditional probability of E1 when E2 is already occurred, and probability of E2 when E1 is already occurred. Now we know probability E1, probability E2, probability union. These 3 are already given. Then intersection we can find this plus this minus this, that I have directly used this formula, interchange this formula. So E1, E2 and union, subtracting union from this to sum, we will get 0.26, that is the intersection. And U1 slash E2, probability of E1 when E2 is already occur is their intersection by E2 is down E2, then here E2, this is 0.26 by 0.36 here, this is the E2, so 13 by 18. Similarly E2 probability of E2 event 2 when E1 is already occur, that is the intersection of both events by PE1, is E1 is down here, so 0.26 by 0.40, that is 13 by 26. In this way you can find the solution for this question. Now I have a last question of this chapter, probability. Then second last question. Second last question is this: a lot contains 10 items, 3 are defective, and another one after another without replacement, that I have highlighted here, without replacement. If replaced there remains same number, but replacement without. Find the probability all 3 are defective. So the solution: total number item 10, defectives 3, non-defective are 7, number of items chosen is 3. Now all 3 defectives are required probability C33 by 10C3, that will be 100, 1 by 120. All 3 are non-defective means out of 7 3 are chosen, out of 10 3 are taken chosen, that's why it will be 7 by 24. And the third one is only the first one is defective. First one is defective is 3 by 10. Second one is non-defective, fault first already occurred, 7 by 9. and first and second already occur, third one is non-defective, that is probability 6 by 8. The only the first defective probability is, it is very important part, 3 by 10 times 7 by 9 times 6 by 8 is like a tree diagram. You can find that 7 by 20 is the probability of this. Now the last question of this lesson, dear students. A bag contains 6 white balls, 8 blue balls, and without replacement find the probability. First is white and second is blue. I have solved this in shortcut way. 6W and 8, total 14 balls. First white and second blue. Probability of getting first white is 6 by 14. If first is white, then that is fixed, and second blue is probability 8 by 13. Number is 1 by decrease by 1, and the probability, you understand, 6 by 14 times 8 by 13. And both are white. The probability getting first white is 6 by 14. If first white is already occurred, then the second white, there are 5 white only and total number are 13, that's why it is 5 by 13. And their probability first white and second white is 6 by 14 times 5 by 13, 15 by 91. And the last part